This is the D1, it's a sports smartwatch. Smartwatches aren't anything special these days, nearly everyone has one, though the price of some is something to be less designed. But it all comes down to functionality, and the D1 does it all for under $50. With all your standard calorie tracking and step counter, the D1 comes with a heart rate monitor, which you don't see around this price range. The D1 also has a number of set presets for different sports, which I think is a bit of an overkill, but it's there for your hardcore badminton players. The presets work pretty much all the same. At a quick glance, you can see your calorie count, heart rate, as well as distance and time. Heart rate mounting I found to be a hit and a miss sometimes, and sometimes it would work instantly, and sometimes it would take a good 30 seconds to get a good reading. This could be a bad contact on the sensor or unknown issue that I'm unaware of. My experience was it worked when it was great, and when it didn't, I was sort of just standing there trying to get a reading. The good thing is, if you have a preset on tracking your activity, it will automatically send that data to your phone to monitor after. Changing the watch face is pretty simple and straightforward. You only have a couple of presets, but here you can notice the actual screen size as well. I wish it covered more of the watch face, and at a quick glance you can't really tell that it's a small screen, so don't be fooled by the pictures online. Push notifications were a hit and a miss as well, with it either not showing anything at all or limited information. Great for short text, but not so much for long messages. The D1 has a very distinct design, and I know a few of you might have pointed this out already. Yes, it is the G-Shock body, which led me to the watch in the first place. I'm a huge G-Shock fan, and I wish they did actually something like this. And I know they have something similar which just notifies you of, messages, but it's not good enough for me or anyone looking to be connected. Just a few things about the design. These Chinese watches are all the same. They say sport on it somewhere and tells you what the watch actually does. I'm really happy that it's starting to fade, but it sort of makes it feel cheap. I mean, it is cheap, but it's tacky, if you know what I mean. Also, I don't know why it says water resist when it's rated at IP68. Functionality of the watch does what it's supposed to do and nothing more. I've had this now for about 3 weeks and it's still going. The battery life lasts forever. All the basic functionality out of a wearable, but could do with some tweaking with the OS, especially the push notifications. Other than that, it's not too bad for $50. Anyway guys, my name's been Richie Plunkett from the Puppet'em Geek. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a good old thumbs up, and if you leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the D1. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.